Welcome. Today we'll solve an implicit differentiation problem step by step. Let's find dy slash dx when y equals tangent of x plus y. Let's start by differentiating both sides with respect to x. Remember, since y is a function of x, we need to use the chain rule when differentiating with respect to x. The derivative of tangent is secant squared. And when we differentiate x plus y, we get 1 plus dy dx using the chain rule. Let's distribute the secant squared term. Now, let's move all terms with dy dx to the left side of the equation. Factor out dy dx from the left side. Recall that 1 minus secant squared equals negative tangent squared. Let's use this identity. Since y equals tangent of x plus y, we can replace tangent of x plus y with y. Also, secant squared equals 1 plus tangent squared. Now we can solve for dy dx. First, divide both sides by negative y squared. Finally, we can rewrite this as a negative sum of 1 and 1 over y squared. And that's our final answer. We've successfully found dy dx through implicit differentiation. Thank you for watching.